politics has really been affecting money and moving stocks. Your money, your stocks. Three sectors that may have seen some of the biggest impact: biotech and pharma, because you remember President Trump said he needs to overhaul the healthcare system, but they are also, quote, getting away with murder with high drug prices. Telecom, the FCC under President Trump is pushing to remove net neutrality, and for-profit colleges have made a resurgence when the president was elected because he would roll back some Obama-era rules that were stymieing some of these companies. But are there still ways to play each sector, even if the news isn't amazing? Well, we've got the guy who's doing that. Thornburg Investment Management Portfolio Manager Connor Browne. You're looking at names in each of these sectors. I would have thought that the pharma sector would get hammered the hardest because he has a lot of people on both sides of the aisle agreeing that drug prices are too high, yet you're picking Gilead.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it turns out legislation is hard. Legislation is hard. As we think about the opportunities for legislation to impact stocks, what we really want is a company that we think deserves the valuation or a higher valuation on the fundamentals, but then perhaps has some upside if legislation works out, or in the case of pharma and Gilead, if drug prices are weighing on the valuation of the stock, that can be an opportunity. And
then you look at Netflix and the whole net neutrality issue, which would affect telecoms. Netflix, is, of course, is not a telecom, but they need the pipes that the telecoms own to move their stuff through freely. What do you think will really happen with that issue?
Yeah, we own Netflix. We're excited about their competitive position, and we think it's such a strong competitive position that it's really hard to start to play them to extract value if you're Comcast, for example. A great indication of that is Comcast including Netflix content within their X1 platform, sort of turning over any fight that would have been in the past and moving forward with Netflix as a partner, actually.
President Obama, one would say, and the way he felt about for-profit colleges hurt those companies pretty dramatically. Yep. You feel that there's an opportunity for lift here. Your particular pick?
Grand Canyon Education. We've, again, we thought that even under a Democratic regime, Grand Canyon was a standout. They were unique. They have a ground university. Division I sports teams look for them in the NCAA tournament in the next couple of years in the basketball court. And so they were positioned to do well, even under a really harsh environment legislatively. Now things are better, and the stock has responded. Connor
Browne's pretty gutsy. He doesn't care what's going to happen. He says that no matter what in the political arena, the money arena has some opportunity. Thank you so much.
Absolutely.